Hi guys, I find this as a wonderful opportunity to meet you guys. I went for Bangalore outing last month, that is on November. On November, my GoPro actually died when I was riding my bike through Bangalore. GoPro got water damage.
See you sometimes after if the rain stops, okay? I'm actually not sure what the problem is. My GoPro Hero 9 stopped working. My GoPro Hero 9 stopped working. My GoPro Hero 9 stopped working. You see, water seeping in. Just now I have noticed this. Though I have made a lot of things like this, but still the water is seeping in like this. I think it's died.
So guys, what we need to do is we need to create an account on GoPro website. Click on this account section and then you will be able to create an account. Once you created an account, please scroll down to the bottom of this page. Bottom of the page you will find help. Under help, you will see order status and contact us. Please click on contact us. Once you click on contact us, and another page will load in. You will see the business hours for this customer support, and at the bottom of the page you will see a form to fill up. Make sure you select the product support and fill in all the necessary information properly, and don't ever click on chat support. Click on call center support. I requested a call back on 2nd December and I was waiting for the GoPro team to call me back, and for sure I received a call back. It was post lunch around 1:30 or something. I received a call. And here now I would advise you to be ready with the GoPro serial number, a picture of GoPro serial number and a picture of GoPro invoice, and an Aadhaar card and the address you wanted to receive back the GoPro. Make sure that your name and address is same as the Aadhaar card, because this package will go through customs and all this information will be verified. So next day I received a call from GoPro support team. He was very patient and helpful enough, and this is how the call went through. I'm ready with the computer open.
Take a photo of the serial number, take a photo of the receipt.
After listening to all my issues with the GoPro, and once he is satisfied, he sent me an email. Here I need to upload the picture of invoice copy and the GoPro serial number. This is the first process. Once this is done, he will send another link.
Just kindly click the link, proceed to upload file, then click upload and click finish. You may upload one photo at a time. Let me know once you're done sending the photos. Thanks.
Now I have opened the mail. I see your Hi Umar Hassan Syed Ibrahim, please see the link to upload the files. Okay.
These are the files I have uploaded. The invoice copy of this GoPro and the serial number inside the GoPro, inside the battery compartment.
Your file has been successfully uploaded. Okay. And then serial number, right? Okay. Now I have uploaded two files.
Thank you so much. I'm going to send the address link. Please fill out your shipping address so I can process the replacement Hero 9 Black. Please open your email again.
Okay. Now I clicked on finish and I'm going to email. Clicking on email.
Click please. Yeah, please check your email and fill out the email address and your shipping address.
Okay. The state or province, I'm not able to change.
For the state and province, leave it blank. Don't do anything. Just keep that part. Click save button if you're done.
Okay. Now I have completed the address. Saint Park, Masjid Banda. City is Hyderabad. Zip code 500084 and my phone number.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to check that. Please bear with me.
Okay.
So kindly ensure that your name is as per the Aadhaar, and ensure that you provide the proper address, because your name, your address and your phone number and your ID card, that is the Aadhaar, is all very important for you to receive the GoPro back. And he will also verify the address like this.
Masjid Banda, behind SBI officer, Hyderabad, India, 5084.
Yes.
I'm going to process the replacement now. You'll be able to receive, return labels on your email.
Okay,
Please
sir.
print it out and attach it in the parcel to should be sending to us. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, and once we receive your camera on our facility, this is time we'll be processing your new replacement Hero 9 Black. Alright. And please don't send the battery, no SD card, no charging cables, no original box. Just send the camera itself, and you can use different boxes, to deliver the parcel using UPS. Alright? If there's any UPS in your place, you can use UPS.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
That's United Parcel Service. But if there's none, you can use local post office.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Alright. Any concerns or questions from me before we end the call? Yes, please wait within 10 to 15 minutes to be able to receive the UPS return label.
Okay.
Just put the 3 labels, the commercial invoice, the RMA form, and the UPS label inside the part. That is correct. Alright. Any concerns or questions for me before we end the call?
How long will it take to receive my GoPro?
Yeah, it will take around, once we receive it, okay, the design will be processing your new replacement, as I mentioned earlier. So, once we receive your camera, the design will be processing it on our warehouse, and we're going to ship it out. And after we ship it, you'll be able to receive a separate email with tracking number.
Okay.
Alright? So, you can be able to track its movement via UPS website.
Okay, appreciate. Thank you so much.
No problem. It's my pleasure to help you out today. And once again, my name is Jay from GoPro Support. I'm going to close this case now, alright? And you should be able to receive a separate email survey from us. And I hope you find time answering the survey and we really appreciate it, alright?
Yeah, thank you,
I
Jay.
hope that you can answer it. You're gonna check your email, you should be able to receive it on your email. Thank you so much, Omar Hassan. And once again, my name is Jay from GoPro Support. Stay safe, have a good day, my friend.
You
Stay
too.
safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright.
Bye. So this is my email address. At first they sent me this mail like Umar Hassan Syed Ibrahim, your case number, and then second time it is like click on the link to verify my address and a satisfactory survey.
So at first these are the 3 emails you will receive, and please ensure you fill it out carefully. Now after this call, he will be sending these 3 documents. If you see at the bottom of this mail, you will see 3 documents. That is, one is commercial invoice, second is RMA product, that is RMA form, third is the shipping label. So he is saying that print out all these 3 documents and attach it to the parcel. As I said, one set inside, that is these 3 documents should be kept one set inside, one set outside, so that it is very much clear. The RMA number should be very clear, so that only then they will accept the parcel. And the third is the shipping label. Shipping label will be given to UPS. If you go with UPS, then the shipping label will be very helpful. It will be easy and it will be free, and you can track the parcel. I took 4 sets of copies of these 3 documents. First is RMA form, second is commercial invoice, and third is shipping label. Commercial invoice is provided by GoPro for customs clearance. I always strongly recommend you to ship it through UPS because it is safe, free, and they know the process of shipping this GoPro very well. Though RMA mail shows very clearly how to pack this package, I made a mistake by keeping these documents inside the package. Thankfully, I went with UPS. They know how to pack it. They packed it very well and kept all these documents outside as well. One set inside, one set outside, and then other 2 sets for another different airports. And you also have to provide your Aadhaar card for customs clearance. Once you give the copy of Aadhaar card, the work is done. Again, I wish to reiterate, please pack it properly. Keep one set of documents inside the box and one set on outside the box. Okay, and then give it to UPS. That is what I would recommend, and then your work is done. They will do the rest. Trust me, all these work were done by a security guard at UPS in Hyderabad. I did not waste any time, so I went to UPS on the same day the label was created, and luckily it got shipped on the same day as well. Then I downloaded a UPS app on iPhone and kept tracking with the tracking number provided by the GoPro. If you see carefully, the parcel got shipped by 3rd December and then it got delivered on 9th December. You will also get a GoPro mail saying that we received your RMA return, as you see here. You can get a proof of delivery by clicking on shipment progress. And immediately by next day, that is 10th December, GoPro shipped the replacement unit for me. Then UPS sent me a text message asking me to upload the documents. When you click on the link, you will come to this KYC details for my name, and then here you need to select individual and then select appropriate documents which you are going to upload. For example, Aadhaar card, it is front and back side. And then click on the and then another document is authorized signatory letter, which has to be downloaded and signed by you. And once you did that, click on I hereby understand and submit those documents, and then submit the KYC. That's it. Once you're done, the KYC's details have been successfully submitted. This message will pop up, and that's it. And then here you will receive two messages. One is KYC document uploaded successfully and the other one is KYC document got approved to initiate customs clearance. And here's the crucial part. My parcel got stuck in customs for more than 8 days. Luckily at 21st December I saw import scan. That means my parcel has cleared customs clearance. Then after 7 days my parcel came to Hyderabad and it was delivered on 27th. And since nobody was there at home, I asked him to leave it with neighbors. So this is how I got my GoPro replaced. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share if you like this video.